PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday afternoon, the 22nd of July. James Spann here, and after some rain this morning, things are pretty quiet here in the office this afternoon. As we often do, let's look at some Skycam pictures. Looking out the window to see what's happening. First off, the view coming from Birmingham. Looking north from the top of the Daniel Building, the sky mostly cloudy. There's the Demopolis view, the sky mostly sunny down in Marengo County. And from Tuscaloosa, looking north from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, a few patches of blue sky with clouds around. There's water vapor satellite shot. You can see drier air filtering into Alabama following that vortex that's over Kentucky around Louisville. And we think dry air will pretty much win the battle tomorrow and Friday, with most communities around here dry. Peek at the radar at 2:15. A few scattered showers over West Alabama and some to the east, but not really that many, and those will fade away once the sun goes down later this evening, and certainly no severe weather problems here. Just a small, slight risk area today for the high plains. QPF graphic, this is the expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning of next week at 7 o'clock, and this is suggesting rain amounts of about 1 inch here. Heavier totals up north, and again, really after today, the weather looks relatively dry until late in the weekend on Sunday. But of course, that accounts the rain we had this morning as well. And in the tropics, the guys at NHC have pegged a couple of spots out in the Atlantic east of the Bahamas. But looking at the satellite view, there's nothing organized out there, just a big mass of disorganized storms, and upper air winds are very harsh and not favorable for development. So tropical storm formation is not expected for the rest of this week. Still looking for that first named storm of the year. Let's go through the GFS. This is the 12Z run at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And the 594 heat is over the Four Corners. Nice trough over the east. And looking at the surface chart, you can see the moisture really south of a line tomorrow from near Gadsden to Birmingham to Demopolis. Not quite as deep on the dry air. And looking at that, you might think we might want to hang on to some risk of an afternoon shower maybe south of Birmingham tomorrow, but most people around here should be dry. And Friday, the entire northern half of the state is dry with the deeper moisture way down south, and even down there in the Gulf Coast, the showers just scattered. Saturday, kicking off a late July weekend. The air still looks pretty dry for the northern half of the state, so again, any showers should be very widely separated. And on Sunday, we've still got that eastern trough with the heat back over the southwest, and another surface cold front comes our way, and we think that will bring an increase in the number of scattered showers and storms late this weekend. And Monday of next week, the front just conks out around Memphis and Nashville, Interstate 40, and that'll keep us in moist air, and we'll maintain the chance of showers and storms. Tuesday, very moist air mass, same deal, and Wednesday looks pretty wet. So at the moment, the first half of next week could offer a crack at more beneficial rain. And, we've got a surplus of 3 inches for the year, and we'll take anything we can get, especially in the summer. We'll go to the end of the forecast, the 7th of August, and it looks pretty uneventful. Core westerlies are a bit north of here, flat ridge across the deep south, nothing too excessive. And that looks like that should offer some very typical summer weather, if that happens to be correct, and more than likely it is. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. Notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com, if you're watching this on iTunes or YouTube. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening if you're local to us. That is ABC 3340 News in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.